Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem stars on Starbucks app, right? So you can see here whatever the stars you earn, it will show it here, and you can just redeem the stars which will convert into rewards, and you can use those rewards or stars to buy a coffee or beverages, right? So how you can earn this or redeem this? First of all, on the top right you will see your profile icon. Once you click here, you will get this option of Starbucks reward. If you click here, it will show here all the stars which you have earned, right? And by the way, this is called membership status, right? And once you just go a little bit down, you will find here how do I earn stars, right? So it will show you how you can earn stars. First of all, you have to register through mobile application, which we have already did. Then you have to buy a Starbucks card, which will cost depending upon the region of your country, right? And then we have to buy Starbucks products, right? So once we start buying the Starbucks product, the stars will automatically come to here, right? And once the stars come here, you can use this to reward. So how you will use this, redeem this? For example, let's say that I just want to buy something here, right? So I'll just go and add item, then I will click on add to cart. Once I do it, sometimes it take time a little bit, right? And here I will just click on view cart, right? And once I click on it, here you can see rewards and offers, right? So here there are right now zero offers, as well as I don't have any rewards too. So here I will just go to the place order. So once I click on the place order, order once placed cannot be cancelled, right? I know that. So guys, you can pay with or redeem your stars. Just click on select payment methods, and here it will show you options, right? Right now I don't have any cards, that's why it's not showing me option. In your way, in your phone, it could be if you have on stars, right? So this is how you can place order and use redeem stars over Starbucks. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.